The AUA Clinical Trials Collective is a great opportunity, a partnership between AUA members and industry partners. The hope is really to understand what are some of the barriers to getting clinical trials off the ground, and for each party to sort of recognize some of the challenges and hopefully overcome those challenges to make progress.
And I think we've been able to highlight several areas where there's both need and opportunity. And I think that what we're searching for right now are ways to collaborate both better with industry and also with advocacy groups and maybe national societies to create tools that might help not only open trials, but also what trials might be available, and probably to help patients as well identify what trials might be applicable for their disease and then where they might be able to enroll in those trials.
So this is a totally new initiative, and I think a lot of us came today not exactly sure what the process was going to look like, but it's actually been a fascinating morning. There is really amazing collective energy and enthusiasm across all the panelists that are participating.
It turned out to be a very formalized process that we're going through in order to get to these solutions. And it seems to be working really well and allows us to collaborate and sort of evens the playing field amongst all the stakeholders.
I'm very impressed with what I have seen so far. I think that the AUA has taken just the right steps to move this forward. I see a very data-based approach, and I think that it is an effort that really will go a long way to improve patient access to urology clinical trials.
So I think one of the things that it will do, I think this is a long-term project, identifying those things that are easy wins, making awareness to clinicians and potential sites that they can, that we do have clinical trials, and then awareness to the patients and what can we do to get the patients in.
So far in what we've done, one of the things that has stuck out is really how patient-centered we are and focused, whether it's providing patient educational resources or really even from the provider side, trying to leverage the resources that are available from clinical coordinators to the physicians themselves, really to service what the patients need when it comes to enrollment in clinical trials, as well as participation and completion of those studies.